Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, JD Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles CoolStuff. And today we have the first look at the Huawei Mate30pro. Now, this is very interesting this year because even the international one will no longer have Google on it when you first open it. All right? You'll have to install a Google APK Play Store onto the phone in order to get all your Google apps, Facebooks, and stuff like that on it now. All right? We will do a video about it, about how to do it if you don't know how. Alright, so this is going to be a very interesting phone to look at today. So, let's go around and turn this camera around and take a first look at the Huawei Mate30pro on Knoles CoolStuff. Alright guys, so this is the unboxing of the Huawei Mate30pro. I do have the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage version. So let's get our knife, let's cut it open. What cut needs to do. Open. Alright, so as you can see, it is the normal black box for the Mate 30. Alright, so let's just open it up and get this done as fast as possible. There we go. Alright, so there is the phone. I'm going to put that off to the side and see what we get inside. This is nothing but stickers. We open this up. We have our box. There's our SIM tool ejector. Inside this box, I'm assuming is, yep, you have a clear case, paperwork. Toss that to the side. Let's take a look at this case. That's not bad. Kind of like a clear case with a frosted mat on it. Alright, matte finishing. Alright, not bad. Hard plastic. Alright, what else do we have? We have our charging block for quick charging. We have our cable, which is USB-C. And they gave us a pair of headphones. And that's everything in the box. Headphones, charging block, USB-C cable, and case. That's everything in the box. Alright, let's move away. Take this all out of the way. Now, let's look at the phone. That's the front. That's the back. Alright, so let's see. Can I take this out without opening it, actually? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Alright, so, here we go. Pull it out. Oh my god, it turned on by itself. That's fine. Alright, there we go. So as you tell, this is the front. You get your main cameras up here. It does have a notch. Let's take a look in the back. Let's take this off. You don't need to see that. Alright. Or this. Alright, so as you can tell, I got the purple color. Let's see if you can see it. It's kind of shimmering in the light. You have your 4 main cameras here. Your flash. That's the back. Bottom. Connector, speaker. SIM card tray. On top. Pretty clean. On the side. As you see, right there is the Horizon display, they're calling it. Vivo also has one. They call it the waterfall. Alright, on the other side, we see it here, same thing. And you can see how they angled the power button slightly on the bottom, right here with the red accent. Alright, there you go. Quick look. And that's what it looks like. Alright, so we're going to do a quick setup of this. Alright, setup is done and finished. And as you can tell, this is a beautiful screen. Look at that. Alright. Now, it does have the notch, but the notch is basically for Face ID, so we can forgive them for that. But look at all that side. Look how large that side is. You see? Let's take a look right here. Alright. Look at that. All the way to the edge. Alright. See it? Now remember, all you have to do is double tap the side right here if you want the volume. And you could show it like this. And just go like that to get rid of it. But that is a beautiful screen. I do like the screensaver they have on it already. Alright, so that is what it looks like. The front, the sides, and the back. Alright. I got the purple one, but if you shine out the light, it kind of looks like the silver one too. Alright. There we go. Alright, I get rid of that. Alright. There you go. That is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Alright, so that was the quick unboxing of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Now we need to know, what do we get for our money when we buy this phone? We know it has a beautiful display, but what else is there? Well, for one, we know there is no Google on it no more, so you're not getting that. So is it still worth your money? Let's take a look. What's inside your Huawei Mate 30 Pro? Huawei Mate 30 Pro is packing everything that everybody wants. Sell all your little goodie bags in one little device. Alright, now I have the Chinese version, so it never had Google. But the question is, now that the international one doesn't have Google already installed on it, is it still worth your money? You tell me. If you live internationally, not in China, you tell me, would you still buy this phone now that it doesn't have Google and you have to sideload and put an APK Google Play Store on it first to get all your stuff? Let me know down in the comments. Will you still buy this phone? Is it still worth your money? Alright, so this is our first look at the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Hit the bell. Ding ding. I didn't hear no bell for notifications. And hit that subscribe button if you want to be part of the Knoles CoolStuff family. Because family is always important. Until next time, my followers, be cool.